Hey guys, so just a quick little video here. Sorry if you can't really understand me too well. I'm getting over a cold and kind of stuffed up the past few days, but got a mower from a friend of mine. He wanted me to repair it. Here it is. It's just a little Boland's 22-inch push mower with a Briggs & Stratton motor, the 500 series. Said it didn't run. It's a pretty nasty looking air filter there. It does have gas in it. The whatever that's called, there's the crankcase breather right here. It's cracked and the gas smells really old. So yeah, it needs a carburetor cleaning, but it's really not worth repairing because it has a really bad rod knock. And that's what this video is about. So yeah, the joke is knock knock, someone wants out. When you crank over the back, you put your hand on the back of the block of the motor here, and if you feel it knocking against it, then it's got a really bad rod knock. So I'll just pull it over here a few times for you to hear. So yeah, you can hear that rod knock and there's that clinking noise. So yeah, I've priced it out. It needs probably about $100 worth of work, and this mower is only $150 to begin with, new. So that popping sound is out of the muffler, just so you know. But yeah, it's kind of unfortunate for a Briggs & Stratton motor. It's only a few years old. Well, not even a few years old. I didn't look at the code, but it doesn't seem too old. But yeah, so this thing's getting scrapped. I don't know, I might take the motor off of it and tear it down to see what's inside or whatever. I haven't decided yet, but anyways, just decided to do a quick video on this mower that has really bad rod knock. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.